Engineers launching its new product, self-loading concrete mixer, model number 3500. The tank size is 3500 liters. The output is 2.5 cubic meter. The hopper capacity is 600 kilos. Water tank is 600 kilos. It's a wonderful machine. It has a inbuilt water pump to fill the water, and then the dosing is done through the driver. It's a very heavy duty machine. Rishikesh Engineer is very proud to launch its product after 4 years of trials. The product is successfully launched all over India. It will be available through all the dealers in India.